Hey guys, hope you are doing really well today, and I would like to show in this video how to deploy an API in Vercel. Vercel can be a nice option if you have a simple API that you want to deploy and put this API in production. It's for free and there are some simple steps that we need to do, so yeah, I will start with that. So, okay, the first thing that we need to do is create an account in Vercel if you don't have one already. In my case, I already have one, so I will just go to login. And there are different ways to have your account in Vercel with GitHub, GitLab, whatever. I will use GitHub. This is my account, it's connected to my GitHub. And that's it, that's all. This is my dashboard where I already have some projects in Vercel and stuff. So now we will create one simple project in Backend to deploy here in Vercel. So I will go to my code, and this is my code. It's basically a folder called app that is completely empty. So I will start a project. So yes, for that I will come here to my terminal and I will run this command npm init -y. Enter. And yeah, like this I create my package.json with some information about my project, some configurations and stuff. So the next thing that we need to do, and this is already important, is call the main file in our project like this, index.js. It's really important to call index and not any other name, because Vercel tried to find exactly this file, the file called index, okay? So must be called like this, index. Here I will create my project with Node.js and Express. It's a simple project just for check if everything is going good and if our deploy will work. But yeah, it's basically like this. In the first line, I'm just using Express, which I need to install here. So I will run npm install Express, and that's it. The second line, okay, using Express. And this one is really important. This one is the port that the project will run. In our local host, will be in the port 3000, but this is okay in our local host. But in production, Vercel will create a URL for us. But for that, the only thing that we need to do is write this, okay? Process and port. We don't need to do nothing more. Vercel will do all the rest and will create a URL for us. But yeah, the only thing that we need to do is make sure that we write this line. So you can just do something like this, okay? Process and port, or the operator or 3000, but this will be only in the case in our local host. So that's it. Then I have my main route that is just HTML just for show some message in the browser, and that's it. Then here I'm just listing my port in app, and yeah, the port is what we say here in this line. So I will just save this and check if everything is working. I will run like node index.js. Okay, the port is running in the localhost 3000. So let's check if everything worked there. Localhost 3000. Okay, enter. And yeah, I am a backend in Vercel. Okay, you are a backend in my local host at the moment, but soon this will be a backend in Vercel. So yeah, this is a simple project. You can create your own project, but okay, at the moment everything is going good, and I will show you now how you can set up this to run your project in Vercel. So yes, okay, let's continue with this. Now we need to create one more file, and we will call this file vercel.json. Here in this JSON file, we will put the configuration that Vercel needs to deploy this project. So yeah, will be something like this. First the builds that Vercel needs, and then after the builds, we will also put the routes that Vercel needs to know to deploy this project. And that's it. It's a simple JSON. Here you can check what you need to do here in this file, but it's a simple JSON file. So let's save this. Now I will just stop this server and I will do the next. This is the commands that we need to do for run this project in Vercel. First, you need to put something like this if you never used Vercel before. npm install -g Vercel. In this command, you can install Vercel in your computer. After that, we are ready to use Vercel. I already have Vercel, so I will not run this. I will just run the command Vercel. Enter. Okay, and here say set up and deploy desktop app. So yes, this is our folder, this is our project, so I will put yes. Enter. And now say which scoop do you want to deploy to? And here say pubmchn. This is my GitHub profile that is already logged in. If you are not logged in, they will ask you for a login. That is a simple step. They will go to your browser and check if everything is okay, if you are logging in your account, and that's it. In my case, I'm already logged in, so that's it. I will choose that option, enter. So yeah, link to existing project. In our case, no, because here is asking if we want to put this project already in a Vercel project that we don't have. So we will put no, will be a new project, okay? So yeah, and enter. And what is your name? Oh, okay, the name of the project will be app, like this, doesn't matter. In which directory is your code located? So it's already in the main folder in our project. So we are inside app, here is already show us. And here is looking for our index.js file here. So yeah, the location is good. You need to check that your location is good, the route is good. So in my case, I'm completely fine with the route that for default is putting me here because I am in the main route in my project. So I will put enter, and that's it. Now it's working a little bit, creating our URLs. Here is continue building our project. Everything is going good. And that's it. Okay, there is an update, but at the moment doesn't matter. So yeah, there are our URLs. So we can go, for example, that one in production. But here say deploy to production, right? Vercel --prod. So yeah, we will run this command for make everything secure. Let's go ahead with this. Let's this run again. Okay, it's working good. Building. So yeah, looks like everything is nice at the moment. Everything looks correct here. So okay, here is for inspection. You can inspect your project in this URL and stuff. And here is the production one. So yeah, I will open this one. I will just, copy this URL like this. Okay, I will go to my browser and I will paste this. And that's it. This is our project running in Vercel. This is our URL. But here in Vercel, in your dashboard, I will refresh this. I have my project, app, the one that we just create. So if I click here, you can find a real domain for your project here, some deployments, and some more settings that you can really explore here. There are a lot of things that you can check. But this is basically it. You have your URL here. So thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you the next time. Have a nice day.